What's going on, guys? So I was gonna do the bite. No, I'm not even gonna tell you what the challenge is, but the challenge involves some of the hottest chips in the world and something else. So we'll just leave it at that for now. I was gonna do that, but I have a feeling that I might need to go fix a bunch of stuff because we're having a massive downpour at the moment. I was at work a couple of hours ago and none of this, it wasn't even raining. Like, it didn't even look like it was gonna rain. Well, maybe a little trickle, but this is absolutely pelted down to the point where our patio is not holding up too well to it. Our whole backyard is flooded already, and it's been, I don't know, maybe 8 minutes now since the rain started, so it's pretty bad. Today, but turns out there's a storm. I was at work today, like, I don't know, 2 hours ago, and it was absolutely cooking hot. There was not a cloud in sight that said, I am going to flood your entire backyard in a matter of seconds. This literally started 5 minutes ago, and there is water everywhere. This house is not designed at all for these sort of storms. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have any animals out today. And there is a lot of, there's so much water out there. You are not going outside, dog. Yeah. Well, shit, eh? I gotta run around and go find all my tools. But that was absolutely redonkulous. In a matter of 10 minutes, the whole backyard flooded. There is floods everywhere. I guarantee you that my whole backyard down here is flooded. Everything has flooded everywhere around our house, which makes me super glad that we don't have a lot of heavy rains like this. Yeah, I had some plans today, but I don't know if they're gonna happen. I think I might have to. Oh, look at that. And the sun's back out. That's ridiculous. That was actually quite amazing. And then there, that is it. That's the end of it. What? That's freaking insane. Oh. Now let's go find all the stuff that got wet, that shouldn't be wet, that I managed to pull out. My angle grinder, my drills, everything. All of this is flooded. I don't know where I'm going to push this water to. It's all running out the front of the house, but there's a little dip here. So it's all stuck here until it moves itself on, I guess. Or I just keep walking this way and pushing it that way. Get out the mop. I don't know what to do. That's why I don't like winter. I used to absolutely love winter until I started having to pay and fix the problems that occurred when storms came around, and having responsibilities, and when blackouts happen, having to sort out the problems that come with blackouts. So yeah, I'm kidding you not, it's like a blue sky already, and it's done just like that. Ruin everything. Wow, these I came out to grab some stuff off the line, and Now these are completely soaked, my bad. So that video idea that I was talking about before, one of the parts is me eating these. They said that it says the world's hottest corn chips. Warning, extreme heat, are you game? Do not consume on an empty stomach. If you're allergic to chili or capsicums, like that would be a pretty stupid thing to do. If you're sensitive to spicy foods, if you have cardiac conditions, if you have gastro-internal problems, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, well, that's me out. If you have any other medical conditions, like, it's pretty hectic. They seem fairly spicy, but I feel like I reckon I can deal with them. I might eat that. Saying that, I'm probably gonna regret saying that, but I might be able to do that. And then if I don't suffer enough with that, I will go for something hotter next time, or something different next time. Well, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. If I find anything else interesting to record, I will add that into tonight's video. If not, take it easy guys, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see me eat these. There is gonna be a comparison. It'll be this versus something else, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And if that's not hot enough, then I'll go get something else that's hotter. Done. Dealio. See you later guys.